The Kazoo two-person backpacking tent offers an excellent balance of space, weight, and functionality for outdoor adventures. Weighing just 5.29 pounds, it's lightweight enough for backpacking yet spacious with a 51-inch by 82-inch by 39-inch interior and two zippered doors for easy access. Made with durable 210T ripstop polyester rainfly and a breathable mesh and polyester liner, it provides solid protection and airflow. 3 high-quality 7001 aluminum poles ensure stability while ceiling vents and mesh panels improve ventilation. Designed for quick setup in under 3 minutes, it's ideal for camping, hiking, and fishing trips. This compact and practical 5-piece outdoor kitchen set is perfect for campers and outdoor cooks. It includes a 3.5-inch paring knife, a 6-inch Santoku chef's knife, and a 6-inch serrated bread knife, each made from durable stainless steel with waterproof wood laminate handles. The 7x11-inch bamboo cutting board features a juice gutter for clean prep work. A soft carrying case with built-in knife sheaths keeps everything safely organized and easy to transport. Also included is a quick-drying microfiber dishcloth with dual textures for cleaning and a knife sharpener to keep your blades ready for any adventure. This versatile portal folding table is perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard use. It features adjustable telescoping legs allowing you to set the height between 17.7 inches and 27.5 inches to suit of uneven ground. The table offers extra storage with a removable mesh shelf underneath, ideal for keeping essentials close at hand. Its aluminum slat tabletop rolls up, and the foldable legs with non-skid feet make packing quick and easy. Weighing just 9 pounds, it folds compactly into the included carry bag. Despite its lightweight design, it supports up to 132 pounds and sets up in just 1 minute. The Inferno Pro is a powerful, portable outdoor stove that lets you cook with whatever nature provides, pine cones, sticks, or leaves, eliminating the need to carry firewood. Thanks to its fast heating design, it can boil water in just 2 minutes. Engineered with Vortex technology for precision flame control, it cooks like a home stove with temperatures ranging from 425 degrees Fahrenheit to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit and produces 80% less smoke. Built for survival, it has a stable 4-legged base, triple-wall insulation to prevent burns, and can handle large pots or grills. Power it with AA batteries or USB-C anytime, anywhere, no sunlight needed. These men's boots are built for tough outdoor conditions, combining comfort, durability, and protection. The reinforced rubber toe cap safeguards your feet during rugged activities, while the waterproof membrane ensures up to 4 hours of static water resistance. Made with a leather and micro-suede upper, they offer both durability and flexibility. The EVA and rubber midsole absorb shock effectively, and the treaded rubber outsole delivers excellent traction on a variety of terrains. With built-in arch support from the heel cup insole, these boots keep your feet comfortable and supported all day long. The Next Torch P81 is a powerful, compact, rechargeable flashlight designed for high performance and tactical use. With an output of up to 3,000 lumens and a beam range of 270 meters, it balances rugged durability with a compact size that's ideal for one-handed use. It features dual side switches for instant strobe or mode switching and includes 5 lighting modes: high, medium, low, momentary on, and strobe to suit various situations. The flashlight also comes equipped with an ultra-hard ceramic glass breaker for emergencies. Built with aerospace-grade aluminum and a hard anodized finish, it's waterproof, IPX7, and drop-resistant up to 2 meters. The USB-C rechargeable design, battery indicator, and compatibility with optional quick-draw tactical holsters make it a reliable tool for law enforcement, emergency use, or everyday carry. The package includes the flashlight, USB-C cable, wrist strap, spare O-rings, and a 5-year warranty. This ultra-slim EDC multi-tool card is the perfect companion for your everyday tasks. Weighing just 1 ounce and only 1.5 millimeters thin, it fits easily in your wallet and is TSA compliant, making it ideal for travel or daily carry. Made from heat-treated 420 stainless steel with a durable satin finish, It features 24 integrated tools including wrenches, screwdrivers, a pry bar, cord cutter, rulers, box and can openers, and more, all with smooth edges that won't snag your wallet. Designed for quality and utility, it's a great gift for dads, handymen, campers, or anyone who values reliable, pocket-sized gear. Season CAC Camping Table is a lightweight, portable solution for outdoor cooking and organizing. Weighing just 17.2 pounds, it folds quickly into a slim suitcase-style shape with a handle for easy transport. Once opened, it offers a spacious 23.6 inches by 18.9-inch tabletop and a smart 3-tier storage system with a center zippered compartment and 6 side pockets, perfect for organizing gear and keeping food safe. Built with a durable MDF top and a sturdy aluminum frame, it supports up to 66 pounds and is easy to clean. Mesh windows on the back allow airflow, while the removable shelves and water-resistant materials make cleanup simple. Ideal for camping, BBQs, and tailgates. Comes with a carrying bag and 1-year warranty. This upgraded portable camping fan is a 3-in-1 essential, combining a tent fan, LED light, and aroma diffuser. Designed for outdoor use, it circulates air efficiently, lights up your tent with 12 bright LEDs, and can hold essential oils for a calming scent. It features a built-in hook for hanging on tents, branches, or in your car, and can also sit on a desk or mount to a wall, making it perfect for camping, home, office, or even your baby's nursery. Powered by a built-in 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it offers 5.5 to 35 hours of fan use and 9 to 240 hours of lighting, depending on settings. It also supports USB charging. The fan runs quietly with 3 speed settings and can be manually rotated 360 degrees for optimal airflow. Compact and lightweight at just 11.3 ounces, this versatile fan saves valuable backpack space by eliminating the need for separate gear. This 50-liter hiking backpack is made from durable, tear, and water-resistant nylon with smooth SBS zippers and includes a rain cover to keep your gear dry. It offers multiple compartments for organized storage, including a main compartment, waterproof pocket, waist pockets, mesh side pockets, and a shoe compartment. Designed for convenience, it features adjustable straps to carry tents or trekking poles, and a hydration system with a water bag sleeve and hose outlet. Comfortable breathable shoulder straps and an adjustable chest buckle help reduce strain and secure the pack. For safety, it includes an emergency whistle and a reflective logo for better visibility at night. This wireless Bluetooth speaker delivers powerful, well-balanced sound through its dual drivers and advanced technology, with the option to connect 2 units for immersive stereo audio, ideal for gaming, music, and movies. Built tough with an IPX5 rating, it's water-resistant and perfect for outdoor use like parties, poolside, camping, or hiking. Enjoy up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge, with Bluetooth 5.3 offering a reliable connection up to 33 feet. The dynamic multicolor lights sync to your music and can be customized or turned off to save battery. The package includes the waterproof speaker, a Type-C charging cable, and a quick start guide with lifetime technical support. It also features a built-in microphone for hands-free calls and an AUX input for wired playback. This waterproof bike rack bag is made from durable EVA with a PU coating, making it sturdy, lightweight, and easy to clean. It features a hard shell design that maintains its shape and includes a rain cover for protection in wet weather. With a 9.5-liter capacity, the bag offers a main compartment, 3 inner mesh pockets, a top pocket, and an adjustable elastic cord to keep your essentials organized. Perfect for storing tools, phones, wallets, snacks, and more. Reflective accents on all sides enhance nighttime visibility, and the rear strap allows attachment of taillights for added safety. The bag installs quickly and securely with 2 buckle straps and a Velcro strap, fitting most bike racks including mountain, road, e-bikes, and hybrids. Equipped with both a shoulder strap and handle, it's easy to carry off the bike, making it an ideal companion for commuting, camping, picnics, or travel. Barnett's HyperGhost crank cocking device is designed to make cocking your crossbow faster and easier, reducing physical strain without affecting your shooting experience. Compatible with the HyperGhost 425 and 405 models, this easy-to-install accessory attaches directly to your crossbow stock and cuts cocking resistance by up to 93%, requiring just 13 pounds of force to operate. The adjustable handle suits both right and left-handed users, making it a perfect upgrade for hunting enthusiasts seeking efficiency and comfort in the field. is crafted from durable 150D ripstop polyester with a 3000 PU waterproof rating, offering strong resistance against tears, punctures, and harsh weather. It effectively blocks UV rays, protecting you from the sun, and features reinforced ridgeline seams and heat-sealed edges to prevent water penetration and ensure long-lasting durability in stormy conditions. Measuring 118 inches 26, it provides ample coverage for 2 people and folds compactly into a lightweight stuff sack for easy transport. The tarp includes 19 guy points, 5 reinforced grommets, 4 nylon guy lines with tensioners, and all necessary accessories for quick setup as a ground sheet or hammock shelter, making it ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, hunting, fishing, and other outdoor adventures. The cargo box is designed to streamline your packing and keep your gear organized and ready for any adventure, whether biking, camping, climbing, road tripping, or bugging out. It features 3 color-coded pods with full U-shaped zippers for easy access and segmentation, each with reinforced handles for carrying heavy contents. These pods fold neatly into a rugged 600D fabric case that's puncture-resistant and built to withstand tough conditions like spills, snow, and rain. The folding case includes adjustable straps that double as carry handles or compression straps to secure your gear. With a total volume of 45 liters and a folded size of 20 by 12 by 4 inches, this durable organizer weighs just over 5 pounds, making it a practical and tough solution for efficient storage and transport. By 12 by 4 inches, this durable organizer weighs just over 5 pounds, making it a practical and tough solution for efficient storage and transport. This creme brulee torch features a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition and an ergonomic design for comfortable, safe handling. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's sturdy and long-lasting. The torch is refillable and comes with 3 butane adapters compatible with all types of butane tanks, butane gas not included. You can easily adjust the flame temperature up to 1,371 degrees Celsius for tasks like caramelizing food, soldering jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, cocktails, camping, and crafts. It uses piezo ignition technology with a continuous flame mode, allowing you to keep the flame burning without holding the button. The product includes a 1-year replacement warranty and responsive customer service for peace of mind. This versatile rechargeable LED flashlight delivers up to 2,000 lumens with 4 light modes: high, 2,000 lumens, medium, 800 lumens, low, 200 lumens for up to 20 hours, and strobe for emergencies. It features a 4x zoom for adjustable focus between spotlight and floodlight. Built for durability, it has an impact-resistant body, waterproof rating of IP67, submersible up to 3.28 feet for 30 minutes, and a magnetic base for hands-free use on metal surfaces. Beyond lighting, it doubles as a power bank with a built-in USB port to charge your devices on the go. The flashlight is rechargeable in about 4 hours via the included micro USB cable and includes a detachable lanyard. Compact and practical, it measures 7.25 inches long, weighs 2 pounds, and runs on a 2,000 mAh lithium-ion battery. This camping cookware set is designed for backpacking, scouting, and on-the-go meals, featuring a plate, bowl, collapsible cup, and a 2-piece switch spork utensil set connected by a tether. The plate and bowl stack to form an airtight seal, while the cup collapses to fit inside for compact storage. The durable utensils, fork, knife, and spoon, are made from reinforced glass nylon and can connect to create an extra-long spork. Both the plate and bowl have rubberized bottoms to prevent slipping during use. Safe and convenient. This adult down sleeping bag is filled with 14.1 ounce of selected duck down with 600 fill power, offering warmth and comfort in temperatures between 37 and 59 with a limited temperature rating of 27 degree. Made from pure natural materials, it is soft, fluffy, odor-free, and includes a 1.6-inch cloth strip for wind protection. The sleeping bag measures 84.6 inches by 31.5 inches and compresses into a compact 11.4-inch by 6.3-inch nylon storage sack, weighing just 1.72 pounds, about half the weight and volume of typical polyester sleeping bags. Its mummy-style design features a wider trapezoidal bottom for extra space and comfort, plus dual zippers that allow it to convert into a two-person bag. Constructed from durable, tear-resistant 400T20D nylon, the sleeping bag is waterproof, windproof, and prevents down leakage, making it ideal for camping, hiking, backpacking, and emergency use. Quuzr offers dedicated customer support to ensure satisfaction.